Maya, do you want to get the unicorn? Okay. You stay. You hear me? You stay. Stay, Maya. Maya, come here. You didn't stay, did you? You didn't stay. That was not good. Maya, where's your unicorn? Go get it. Go find the unicorn for Mommy. Where is it? Go get it, Maya. Where's the unicorn? Is it in the bathroom? Where is it? Maya, go get it. Go get the unicorn. Where is it? Mommy's gonna wait for you. Where's the unicorn, Maya? Go find it. Where is it? Where's the unicorn? You only have 5 seconds.